In this Web Gremlin AI review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software and why it could be a game changer for digital marketing. Trust me, if you're into digital marketing or AI tools, you'll want to stick around for this. First off, Web Gremlin AI is quickly gaining traction as one of the most powerful and efficient tools in the market. It's designed for marketers, business owners, and anyone wanting to automate and optimize digital marketing efforts without a huge learning curve. And the best part? You can try it completely free. Just click the link below to get started. Now, here's the first key thing to know about Web Gremlin AI. It's an all-in-one platform combining content generation, social media automation, and even personalized marketing strategies. The ability to streamline so many different tasks into one platform is a game changer, especially for busy marketers looking to save time and maximize efficiency. Second, Web Gremlin AI is built on a super intuitive interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced digital marketers. Even if you've never used AI tools before, the learning curve is incredibly shallow. You can start using it right away without feeling overwhelmed, and that's something not all AI software can claim. One of the features I love most is its advanced content generation capabilities. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media updates, or even email campaigns, Web Gremlin AI produces highly optimized and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. The AI understands context, tone, and can adapt to different industries and niches. This takes the guesswork out of content creation and can drastically improve your conversion rates. Moving on, let's talk about its social media automation. Web Gremlin AI helps you schedule posts, engage with followers, and analyze the performance of your social media campaigns. It's like having a full-time social media manager working 24/7 for you, so you don't have to worry about manually posting and tracking engagement every single day. Next up, Web Gremlin AI's customer insights and analytics are spot on. This software uses powerful data analysis to give you a deeper understanding of your audience, helping you create more targeted campaigns. It tracks behaviors, preferences, and interactions, so you can fine-tune your strategies and drive better results. If you want your marketing efforts to be more than just guesswork, these insights are invaluable. Another feature that makes Web Gremlin AI stand out is its personalized marketing automation. It helps you build highly personalized email marketing campaigns based on user behavior, previous interactions, and more. This level of personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates, giving you a huge advantage over your competitors. Lastly, Web Gremlin AI keeps updating and evolving. The developers are committed to making this tool even better over time, and that's one of the reasons why it stands out in a crowded market of AI software. Continuous improvement and regular updates ensure that Web Gremlin AI stays ahead of the curve and gives users the latest and best features. To wrap things up, Web Gremlin AI could be exactly what you've been looking for if you want a tool that simplifies digital marketing, increases productivity, and helps you generate better results. You can try it out completely free by using the link below, and if you're serious about making your digital marketing more efficient, this might just be the tool you need. I've personally tried and tested thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say that Web Gremlin AI is one of the top recommendations I have. For a full list of my top AI software picks, check the description below. Don't forget to check it out, and I'll see you in the next review.